Hello, and today you are looking at a DWK rack line. This is a 109 station rail rider system. There are 4 hoists included in the system. This unit is in extremely good condition. I will show you. We'll walk up onto the catwalk. You can see the flight bars here. They are double contact flight bars. As we go up, here is the operator station with the PLC. Has been upgraded to an Allen Bradley system. This unit is originally 1995. The system is operated by laser control. As we go up here onto the starting side, as you can see, these are the rails that the hoist does run along. There are 27 of these flight bars that are included, as well as one lot of 350 to 400 racks, which we will show you in just a moment as well. Full ventilation along the back side of this line. 4 hoists which are included. They are strap lift, an extremely smooth operation. I will walk down the tank line. The tanks are in excellent condition. The ones that are steel are rubber lined inside and out. This is a soap cleaner. Alkaline drag out. Soap clean. You can follow along. I will just walk along here, and then you can follow along on your tank layout that is available as well. All the tanks are in great condition. There's an ultrasonic tank as well with the generators on the other side of the line that we will show you. The single station tanks on this line are 20 inches direction of travel, 6 foot front to back, and 5 foot on the depth. This could be made into 2 separate lines with the independent double hoist and the rail rider, all of the anode baskets that you currently see. Here's a close-up view of the hoist. Strap lift. Here is the wet shuttle transfer that you get to on the end here that we'll be able to see. There's a filtration, a large series of rectifiers that we will go along. And we will go to the back side of the line so you can see that as well. Coming back up here, you got your bright nickel. Festoon rides in the track along the back side of the hoist line. Here you get into the brass. Cyanide. All of the tanks have been pumped out and cleaned. There's the 4th hoist here. All of the solutions will be pumped out of these tanks. Here's a dryer. As you can see, it's got a 2-station dryer. They did have a rack strip here to clean their racks prior to going back into the queue system. As you can see, the hoists are very quiet, very smooth. They are laser controlled, so on the other end of this line there is a laser mounted near the ceiling that does the positioning for the hoist itself. Here we are along the back side of the line. The overall dimensions of this line are 24 foot 6 inches wide by 138 feet long, and the height to the top of the hoist when it's in the upright position, or just the height of the hoist, is 13 foot 6 inches. Here are the ultrasonic generators that go in one of the ultrasonic cleaning tanks. Ventilation. Along the back side of the rack line we do have the filtration, so you've got 2 filters there, and then we've got a couple Meafy eggs along the inside that have been pumped and cleaned. Here's another little Meafy egg. It's a 3200 SY. The majority of the rectifiers and the control panels themselves are upstairs. Here's some extra filtration for it. Are upstairs on a mezzanine in an area separated from the plating line in order to keep them high and dry. Here is one of the rapid rectifiers. This is a 10,000 amp 12 volt unit in excellent condition. You can see all of the bus work that has been done, and that is included as well. Back side of the line here. Here are the control panels. We are in an upstairs controlled environment room. We will open all of these control panels, but you can see they're in excellent condition. Also, here are all of the rectifiers that are very new vintage. As you can see, I also have the full list of the rectifiers, amps, and volts that go along with these units. All of these can be controlled via the PLC down in the plating line area. These have the cable running along the back side here that all run down through the floor, bussed and attached to the line. We will walk along. Here is the inside of the control panels for the line. Does have a full box of prints, schematics. There are your Allen Bradley controls. The filters do have VFDs on the pumps as well. There are approximately 350 to 400 of these racks that are included as well. As well as a couple service carts, some anode baskets. Here is one of the hoists in operation. They're extremely quiet and smooth. The hoists also do have these pendants that are removable if an operator wants to run them manually. 1,100 pound lift capacity on these.